Hey everyone, I'm Tate from Laguna Auto Service, and today we're going to be installing a Holley Sniper EFI kit on this 1957 Chevy Two-Ten. The Holley Sniper EFI kit is a relatively simple and straightforward way to swap out a carburetor for an EFI system, all while maintaining the vintage look of a carbureted system. Just to give you a breakdown, the Sniper kit comes with the throttle body, which is integrated with the ECU and internal fuel pressure regulator, a 3-inch color touchscreen to help navigate and control the setup, tuning, and gauge displays, a wideband oxygen sensor, and some wiring harnesses, brackets, mounting hardware, and a few other things to help complete the installation. This kit we are installing can support up to 650 horsepower, and the best part is, it's a self-tuning system, so you don't have to be an EFI genius in order to maximize power and performance. Our shop foreman Rip will be doing the installation on the 57, and I'm going to help document the whole process. Let's get started. Alright, so we've removed pretty much everything we needed in order to get this car ready for the Sniper installation. This means we've removed the fuel lines, fuel filter, ignition coil, distributor, throttle linkage, and of course the carburetor. All that's left to do before we install the new parts is drain the fuel from the old fuel tank, remove it, and install the new fuel tank with the internal fuel pump. Once we get all that taken care of, we can begin installing the new Sniper parts, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. We also will be installing a new Holley Hyperspark distributor, ignition coil, and ignition box. A new throttle linkage and kickdown cable, along with all new fuel lines, will be added as well. So some of you may be wondering why we're installing a new fuel tank on this car. Basically, carbureted fuel systems do not require a return line setup. However, since we're going over to EFI with the Sniper kit, we're going to need a return line. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a new fuel tank, hook it up for a return line, and that way we'll be good to go. Now really, you could just use the old fuel tank, drill into it, and set it up for a return line that way. However, the customer wanted to install a new tank, and this one comes with a fuel pump mounted internally, so we don't have to worry about any of that. Just want to clarify things for you guys, make sure there's no confusion along the way. Now that that's taken care of, let's get back to it. After some minor adjustments and test driving, the vehicle is ready to give back to the customer so he can enjoy it. Although this was our first EFI conversion here at Laguna Auto Service, the project went very smoothly, and overall, it wasn't very difficult. The most challenging part of this job was routing and fabricating the new fuel lines. Given their close proximity to the exhaust, we needed to install them in a way that would prevent excessive heat soaking. With the Sniper EFI kit installed, the Two-Ten is running great. The engine is running more efficiently and responsively, and power delivery is smooth and instant. The customer is very happy with the way that it drives, and so are we. Now that we've done the work on this 57 Chevy, we're gearing up to do the same Sniper EFI conversion on a 37 Ford. That's all for now, but be sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this one coming your way soon. Once again, I'm Tate from Laguna Auto Service, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.